Got a nice cooler here. Vintage Pepsi. Hard to believe that this thing actually works. An old Pepsi cooler. Let's wipe it down a little bit here. Yep. She still works. We'll clean the dust off of it a little bit. Who's it made by? It's made by True Company. Let's take a little dust off here. Like I said, it cools down. Gets really chilly in there for the keep the Pepsi cool. Let's see if this will clean up here. I don't know how old it is. The shelves, here's the shelves, and they fit right in here. Now, let's see where this one goes. This one goes on number 2. There we go. No, is that where it goes? Yeah, I think that's right. Let's see if these slip in there easily. These shelves. That's the way they go in. I think it's upside down, actually. Yeah, let's turn them over. Yeah, I think that's better right there. See if the door will close. Yep, the door closes fine. So the shelves fit in there perfectly. But if you want this cooler, oh, it looks like we're missing another. Yeah, actually we're missing one little clamp back there for the middle shelf. The bottom shelf has the 4 clamps. We'll put this one in. Like I said, if you want this cooler, it works. It's got the 4 shelves. It's got a light. Go on YouTube and search for a video called Mills Jacko, Private Eye Noir, the Maltese Mask. Again, if you're interested in this cooler, which works, all you have to do is go search YouTube. I hope you know how to do a search on YouTube. It ain't that difficult. And you search for Mills Jacko. Mills with an M, Jacko with a J. Mills Jacko, Private Eye Noir. Noir is spelled N-O-I-R. Noir. The Maltese Mask. In the description of that video, you will find what you're looking for to get a hold of me, and maybe this Pepsi machine will be yours. Good luck.